Good morning, Malo Lava. As you can see, by what I have here, some ripe bananas that I could find, some flour, oil, sugar, vanilla extract, that I am going to attempt to make panikeke today. I've never made this today, so I hope I don't mess it up. I'm using my oldest pot that I have in the house, just in case I burn it and it sticks to it. I'm gonna wing it, and I appreciate you coming along for the ride. Thanks for watching. Let's get going. So these are the ripest bananas I had, so even got a little bruising on them, so my wife said that should be okay though. Mush, 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 mush. I was gonna get like my mashed potato smasher. My wife said, oh no, use a fork. It's easier. So I'm not even sure how much to mash it. Honey, how long do you mash these for? Till it's soup? like pudding looking? Okay, I'll let my wife check it and give me the green light on how far to mush. But I think this is enough. That look about right, everybody? I can't hear you. Say it louder. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh, sorry, I didn't hear all of you screaming a little bit more, because that's basically what my wife just yelled. A little more. This is actually kind of fun. Okay, that's probably enough. Okay, now I'm going to add the flour. I'm going to put about 2 cups in there. Like I said, I don't know any exact recipe of this. I'm just guessing from watching in the past. So, I'm going to mix this up. And I need sugar. I think it's like a 2 to 1 ratio. So I'll put about 1 cup of sugar since I put 2 cups of flour, I guess. Let's try that. Oh, sorry, I didn't get that on camera. There's like a cup of sugar. And let me find the vanilla extract. I guess I'm going to put in like 2 teaspoons. This is only half a teaspoon, so I'm going to put in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let me go get the water. Okay, I'm going to start out with about a cup of water as well. So it's like 2 cups flour, 2 bananas, 1 cup of sugar, and we're seeing. Okay, I'm gonna stir this for a little while. I don't know if you want to watch the whole thing. I guess we can watch it stir together. Oh, seems like it's getting a good consistency. I'll let my wife look at it though. She's more used to seeing people make this than I am, so. Maybe if I had a blender, this kind of stuff would go easier. But using a fork does give you the feel of control of what you're baking. Like, oh, I think I need to add that baking powder too. Oh no, let me go find it. Okay, I found it. I got some clobber girl, it's called. I want to use 1 teaspoon. So again, this is half a teaspoon measuring, so I'm going to do 2 of these. If I can do it right. That's about half. And another half. Like I said, it's not an exact science for me, for sure. And get that baking powder in there too. Alright, I think I'm about done. Okay, my wife gave me the okay that it looks stirred enough. I'm just confused, and she don't remember how her mom used to make what kind of spoon to scoop it in there. So we're gonna figure out something. But I'm gonna put in the whole container of oil. Hopefully that's enough. I don't know. Ooh, it might not be. I think I might have some more oil. Let me go check. Okay, my wife said it should be enough, so I'm gonna turn that on a little. Oh, I'm gonna turn that on a little over medium, like medium high. till I see the nice bubbles and feel the heat coming, and then we'll start the experiment. Hopefully I don't burn the house down. Okay. Okay, I believe the oil is hot enough now. You can see I'm gonna use an old broken rice scooper for that, and I have another spoon to help scoop it into the pan. So let me set the camera down. Hopefully I don't burn myself, and get a nice portion. Ugh. Okay, here we go. Bloop. Let's see. Oh, it sunk to the bottom. Is it supposed to come up? I hope so. It's just sitting there. Uh-oh. I hope I'm doing it right. Okay, just waiting for it to come up. Come up, little fella. Come up for air. He's growing little porcupine things out of his head. Hopefully. My wife hears me panicking. She's coming to look. Look okay? Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah. She said, yeah.
Just poke it, it'll rise.
Poke it underneath it. Poke, 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 poke.
Careful.
Poke. I'm trying to poke.
Watch your finger.
Oh, my finger. Yeah, oh yeah, the oil is hot, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of stuck to the bottom, though.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. Look, he's alive. How do you flip him over?
Yeah.
Oh, you just wait till it browns on one side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she's helping me. All right, I'll flip this over in a second. Okay, I'm going to try to flip it over. Whew! It won't stay over. There. That brown enough, everybody? Let me know. Like I said, if I don't make it right, Mama gonna salsa daddy. Okay, my wife ran over and looked and said, more brown. I said, uh-oh, so let's... Like I said, I've never did this before, so let's flip it over. They look the same brown. Are these little pokey things supposed to be sticking out of it? It looks cute. They call it a... They call it a panikeke, but it looked like a donut. Donut. They sure are cute. Yeah, maybe I'll try to make two at the same time next time. That's looking golden brown. I guess basically I'm looking for the golden brown. Let me go get something to get it out with in a moment. Okay, I think it looks brown enough. Let me see. Oh, that looks good. How's that look, everybody? I've got a little tray with some paper towels. Yay, we did one. Let's make some more. All right, gonna get some more scoop of batter, I guess you call it, and scoop it in. Bloop. Oh, that one definitely not gonna be a ball, I don't think. Yeesh. Oh my gosh, but it did rise fast. And let's try to put another one in there. Bloop. Oop. I guess if they're not a ball, hopefully she'll still eat it. Oh, it comes up. It looks more like I don't know, like a small taro root. These will be panikeke taro kalo root donut. I actually turned the heat down a little bit because now the oil is actually boiling. It's a little freaky. I don't want to boil over. But yeah, there's the shape. I guess those are cute. We can still eat them. This one don't want to stay on its back. Stay over. Maybe he's like, I'm ready. Or is this one a girl? I can't tell. I'm gonna hold it like that. Ooh, this one. Alright, these ones look like they're about done now too. Let me get my strainer. Alright. Out comes donut number 2 and donut number 3. Yeah. Those look okay? Okay, gonna try to do a better job at getting a circle or a donut, whatever. Let's see. Maybe just plop like half of it. Oh, maybe just don't fall off fast enough. Oh, that's a weird shape. Looks like a snail. Let's try a bigger blow. Uh-oh. Ow! Hot pan. That's hot. Let me get a little something right there off. Owie. That was hot. All right. Yeah, look at this one. Looks like a little snail. Flip over, little snail. This one's more round though. I did better just trying to plop it in there. That's what happened when I plopped it. It just turned out more of a circle. When I'm kind of tentative and slowly doing it, that's when I get the elongated one, it looks like. Okay, I'm thinking these ones are done as well. There's the one I think looks like a little snail. Put that over there. And there's another one. I'm proud of myself. I haven't burned the house down yet. All right, let's get some more. I think with all the amount of batter I made, my wife's gonna be able to eat these for days. Okay, let's try to drop a glob in there. Ooh, get in there. And another one. Good glob. Let's see, again, the first one, again, didn't turn out to a circle. Let's see if this one does. Oh. Boil, boil. That one's a little better. Alright, let's let them cook like that for a few seconds. Okay, I think these ones are done too. So, I've got a lot more to go. So, and I'm kind of nervous, I'll admit, trying to film with this GoPro. There's really not a good place to put it. If I have already published my sapasui video, which I don't know if I will when this comes out, but I've actually dropped this into the food before, so I definitely don't want to drop it into hot oil. So I'm going to stop filming while I make all these, but I will show you the final product. Alright, let me get making some more pancakes. Okay, I'm almost done with using up all the batter. Whew, I have not burned the house down. Faftayesu. And let me see if I can get this last bit. Alright. Those may be the last two. I may be able to scrape out one more. Let's see. Oh, of course I can. Let's work on that. And I'll show you the ending. Okay, I do have enough for one more, but I'm going to wait till these are done. Oh, that's nice and brown right there. Hopefully I'm not steaming up the lens. There's that one. Let's look this one over. Oh, they both look good. Let's let it set on that side, other side for a second. Ooh, that little one trying to escape right there. Let's pick them up. And add them to the collection over here. Ooh. There we go. And let's get this little one right there. Okay, let me go get the last one in. Alright, the last one. There we go. Okay. I actually just turned the heat off too, because this copper pot or copper bottom will keep the oil hot enough to cook this last one. Alright, hey, while I'm here watching this last one, thank you so much and bless all your families for watching. I hope you're subscribing and comment below. I'd love to hear what you think, or just a quick hi really makes my day, and my wife's as well. So again, Paksai Lava for watching, and let's finish this up so my wife can eat one. Alright, taking out the last one. This one looks a little crazy, but my wife says she don't care what they look like as long as they taste good. Alright, so there we go. That's how many I made. Hopefully they're all good. I'm gonna let them some of the oil soak into the paper towels for a while, and they're cooled down a tiny bit. And we will let you. I'll try one too, but we're let my wife definitely try one for sure. All right, here comes my wife. She's carrying Maka. I think Maka also wants to try some panikeke. So I got the wooden spoon here in case I didn't make them right. My wife has sasami. Ah! Oh, she wouldn't do that, would she? I hope not. Go ahead, reveal. Let's see. Drum roll. You gonna try one? These are the older ones, I believe. So you want to try one up towards the top. They're the ones that probably cooled off the most. Is it done? Let's look inside. I can't tell. Well,
Very good, sweetie.
what do you think? You want some? Do you want to try some? Do you have a piece?
No,
And we got
greasy.
too greasy, and Princess down here. She loves looking in the camera. Say talofa, talofa lava. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching Talofa Lava. And I mean, Fasefua. We'll see you next time. Many blessings to you and your family. We're out.
Fat.
Fa.